To install PostgreSQL, you can go to the postgresql.org, and after that, on the main page, go to the download section. In addition, you see the latest releases on the main page. Depending on your operating system, you can choose Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Here I'm on Windows, so I choose the Windows. On this page, you see a table for platform support and the PostgreSQL version for that. And also the installer includes PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin, and pSQL. So I click on the download the installer, and on this page I can choose my operating system and the version of PostgreSQL that I want to install. Here I use the Windows x86-64. You can download the latest version of the PostgreSQL on this page and there won't be any problem. And also, if the download link didn't pop up, you can click here. After downloading the installer, you click on it to actually start the installer. Here you click on next, and over here for installation directory, I recommend you to install it on C drive so you won't face any kind of permission issue. The components that we are going to install are PostgreSQL Server, pgadmin4, Stack Builder, and command line tools. Stack Builder is for installing add-on extensions for the PostgreSQL. Here you choose the data directory. I recommend you to leave it as the default one. Now you provide a password for your super user Postgres, and you should remember this password. You need this for the next steps for working with the PostgreSQL. So I type a particular password, and I have to remember it, jot it down somewhere because we are going to need it, as I said. Next, you have to specify a particular port. I leave it as the default one unless you have a reason to change it. And for this one, you can choose a different locale. I choose the default one again. And finally, I hit the next to actually install the PostgreSQL. Finally, I uncheck the option for the Stack Builder to download and install additional tools for me because we don't need it right now. Now, if you open the Start menu, you'll see under the PostgreSQL, I'll see the Stack Builder application, installation notes, pgadmin4, and pSQL or SQL shell. pSQL and the pgadmin4 are the subjects of the next lessons. So please check out my PostgreSQL playlist, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to not lose future content on PostgreSQL. As always, see you all later.